so disappointed I couldn't do it.
Dad, call Rob. He would be so up for doing something like this. Remember that rope that was like 49 cents? It was nice.
Wait. Oh, I thought there was no one up there. I was like, oh my gosh, don't do that to everyone else.
You want to do it? You down?
For what?
We're playing for rope. Come on.
We could really stop that waterfall hunt.
Dad and I, we're
Gonna walk out there. You can't jump from there.
Some kid did it, and it was like, I was like, oh my gosh.
Kayla, Dad, I want to make a little crank thing, a crank door that will come down. That's like a half circle on the bottom with like a like an O-ring or a plastic or a rubber ring. So you can just crank it down and it will seal off the cookie rocket. That takes away the whole adventure.
We wanted to bring a ladder, like one of those ladders, and someone climb up there and just like do something with it.
He's scared out of this.
Oh, I would be too, dude.
Come on, Rick, you got it! Oh my gosh.
Why did I do this? Just let go of the rope and slide down. There you go. Or do that.
Zoom out.
I can't.
Ricky, get the rope on the other side of you.
I'm scared.
All the way.
I'm scared for him.
Oh my gosh.
I'm still shivering.
Look at his legs, they're like quivering.
There you go.
Never seen her be that big.
You got video going?
Don't jump too far.
Sarah, you got video?
No.
Okay.
Switch the video.
I am recording.
One,
Don't jump too far.
two,
No, like Rob did it. Count me down.
Just
three.
go!
Be young and reckless.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Live your brand.
Live your brand, Ricky.
Be young and reckless.
We should send it to Rob here.
Oh,
Ricky! Scream young and reckless and jump!
he's picking his arms.
5!
Fred.
4. What?
Oh, yeah.
He's not young, living young and reckless. Okay, zoom out, let's see how far it is.
I can't zoom out.
I know, it gets stuck sometimes.
Scoot back then.
Ricky!
Oh, shit. The guy said you skip all these levels.
Maybe if you
straight
push
to
it.
young and reckless.
There you go.
You want to jump right about?
Not there!
A little bit over that way. Yeah.
It'll be fun.
Try to zoom out.
Be young.
Taylor, I tried. I can't.
Let's go, Ricky. Let's go.
Young and reckless.
Just jump, you sissy! You can't go anyplace else. Go. Young and reckless, let's go.
Climb back up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, he's such a wussy. Go!
Ricky,
Look at him, he's second.
You'll be better to win.
That's
Just
it.
go!
Jump in deep water.
1, 2.
3.
Oh my god! Go! Our battery's gonna die on the camera. Oh, he's going.
Just jump! Go! Go!
We've wasted 5 minutes.
Oh! and reckless, Ricky. Woo!